Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this floating animations on a character in CapCut PC. Here we go for the background. You can use any background actually, and after that you can add a character or maybe your photo yourself like this. You can just add it into CapCut PC but make it as overlay so there will be in the form of the background. Like this, I'm going to make the size smaller. After that, you can go to the effects. Now click on the search column and find the play pendulum effect, this one. So let's drag it into the overlay. So it applies to the overlay like this. And now you can follow this setting. So for the twist, I'm going to make it 0 and the string to around 30. And then the sharpness to 0 and the speed it's according to your liking, but I'm going to just make it like not too fast, so I'm going to go with 20. And this is the preview. You can see the character will be floating just like that. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.